back to my channel. Welcome if you're new or if you're coming over from the playlist. I'm Holly, and today I'm getting to share with you a very fun collaboration that is being hosted by a sweet friend, Jessica at Jessica My Rose. She has great content on her channel. She shares a lot of lifestyle, wellness, motivation, motherhood type videos, and I know that you will love her as much as I do. So please be sure to go and check her channel out. And also I will leave the playlist down below of my YouTube friends that are making some videos for this as well. And this is a collaboration where it's a 15 minutes of happiness challenge. So we get to share with you 15 minutes of our day, or at least spend 15 minutes out of our day doing something that makes us happy. So it doesn't necessarily mean the video is going to be 15 minutes long, even though mine may end up being that with this intro, but it's just trying to give you some motivation to do something that you love that would give you some happiness for 15 minutes out of your day. And for me, happiness is a lot of different things, but in this video, it's going to be my grandson. And I'm also going to share a recipe at the end because that's what my channel is about. A lot of it is cooking. But for me, my grandson and my daughter are staying with us for a little while because my son-in-law is, he's overseas. He's in the military. He's overseas for a short tour. So it's bittersweet because he's not here with us. But we do my husband and I get to spend some time with my daughter and my grandson. So that's where our happiness is at the moment. And we miss our son-in-law very much. But as I said, you know, for me, getting to spend some time with my grandson is very important, and my daughter as well. So for this, it's just that he, like I said, things that he does, or, you know, during the day or whatever, he just puts a smile on my face, whether it's his laugh or, you know, just the way he plays and things like that. We've been enjoying getting to just be with him and play with him and everything, and just seeing how he's developing with learning different things and stuff like that. So it's just where you're gonna see more of him than me in this video. And I was focusing on him, so that's, like I said, where my happiness is. He does make me very, very happy, and especially to have him here. It's just been fun having him here. And as I said, that's just kind of where, you know, my happiness was on this day. And also, it's going to be a collab that's the last Wednesday of every month, I believe. So we're going to share different things, you know, that makes us happy on whatever day that we decide to, you know, film. And I'm hoping, you know, to just bring some more content like this as well. So you may see my grandson, you may see my daughter in some of my videos. It just depends on, you know, how we, you know, decide to do things. But I hope that you enjoy the video. I hope that you find some inspiration just to spend time with your kids, your grandkids, nieces, nephews, or even, you know, making a recipe, getting in the kitchen and cooking something that you love. Just whatever makes you happy. And I know that can be a lot of different things for people. It could even be just reading a book. I mean, you know, or watching your favorite, you know, television show. Whatever it is that makes you happy, spend at least 15 minutes a day trying to, you know, just do that. And just have that positive attitude in, you know, your daily life. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. I'm going to go ahead and stop chatting and get on with this. So here we go. Where does the horse sleep? He sleeps in here. Yeah.
Oh!
What does the cow say?
Moo.
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 Whoa! Who left that door open?
Yeah, you gotta slide him down.
Loves to eat his crunchy orange carrots. The cow says moo. The horse says moo.
Where's the horse?
Says oink. Chicken
That's the horse. What the horse says. Nay. He went down the
Whoa,
chute.
Who
Yep.
left that door open?
You're gonna put the bear together. Where's his face go? You put his feet on. You gotta turn it, remember. Turn it. Gotta turn it a little bit. No. Turn it. You'll put that one on first. Turn it. Remember, where's that go? Where's this part go? Like that? Yeah. So then the other piece goes like that too, right? Yeah, you did it! High five, buddy. Fist bump. Woo! Did a good job. You like that puzzle, huh? And do it again. You did awesome. You like that purple circle. Yay! Green triangle. Gotta fix that on there. Graham's put it on there. There. Yay! Oh, awesome! You're so proud of yourself. Yay! You make Grams happy. Go, go, go! Ready? Woo! Boom! Hey. There you go. Spin. And as I said, cooking, you're going to find a lot of that on my channel because that's my primary thing that I do. I love cooking. It makes me happy, especially to make a meal, that's healthy for my family. So this is one of those, meals that really does make me happy. So 1.5 pounds of ground beef is what you need. Onion chopped up. You need, it says 1 garlic, piece, clove of garlic minced. I put a lot more than that because we love garlic. And a 10-ounce bag of cut up spinach, chopped spinach. I could only find the cut leaf spinach. So once I steam this in the microwave, I will cut it up a little bit more. You need 16 ounces of bowtie noodles and stewed tomatoes. And I believe that's a 14-ounce can. I forget if it said 15 ounces, but that's what I could find. Also, 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Could not find 1 large can, so I just bought 2, and that little extra ounce is not going to hurt anything. If anything, more sauce would be good in this. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 1 teaspoon of oregano and salt and pepper to taste. You'll need about 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese shredded and 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese shredded. And I'm just going to show you how quick this is to put together. The first thing that I do is just brown up that ground beef. I do add some garlic powder and some onion powder to give it a little bit more seasoning. I always feel like that's, it doesn't hurt in a recipe like this. And then I'm going to add the onions and the garlic to it. So I cook this until it's completely cooked. And those onions are translucent in there. Drain off any of the grease that's in there. You don't want any of that. Add it to your crock pot, then add the stewed tomatoes, and then add the tomato sauce. And I add both of those cans since that's what I'm using. And add some salt and pepper to taste. Then I'll add the oregano and the Italian seasoning to this. And then I'm going to cover it, stir everything up, and cover it for, it says between 6 and 7 hours. My crock-pot cooks really fast, so I don't really do that. I probably cooked it for about 4 or 5 hours covered and turned, and that was on low. And then once that's cooked, then all you do is add your cooked bowtie pasta. So remember to cook that ahead of time. And if you don't want that much, this makes a lot. So if you don't want to add all of that, you don't have to. But then I add the spinach that's been, drained off and everything and chopped up a little bit more since it was that long leaf spinach. And I just mix that in really well. You want to just, distribute it throughout so you get that in every bite. Also, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and the 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese. Add that in. That melts really quick. So just stir it in to distribute that as well. And then the last 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese you're going to add on top. And you want to just let it melt while it's on warm. You don't necessarily have to cook it, put it back on. You just put that 1/2 cup on top and then cover it and just kind of let it melt on top. If you have to, you can put it back on for a few minutes, but usually on the warm mode, it melts. And like I said, if you want to add more sauce to this, you can. If you want it a little bit more saucy, I don't mind it like this. It was good and really did enjoy it. So you can see it here plated up and that cheese on top. This is a really healthy meal. It's really delicious. You can use low-carb pasta if you want for this. So anything like that. But I hope that, this is one you would try. I wanted to share this with you because this came the day I was filming this video. I thought it was ironic that this little saying would be on here. But this is a digital picture frame that I ordered off of Amazon. So I can get my, pictures off of my phone onto something I can see every day that's in my living room. But it says, happiness isn't something you experience, it's something you remember, by Oscar, I think it's Levant. But isn't that true? It is not always the experience that maybe makes us happy. A lot of times it's remembering that experience as well. So just always, keep happiness in your life, no matter what it takes. Try to make that happiness be something that's a memory as well. Make memories with your children, with your family. And when you remember those experiences, I know it will make you happy. And I do have a lot of memories that make me happy, especially of people who are no longer here with me. But, remembering those things, it does bring happiness to my heart. So I hope that does as well for you when you remember, different things in your life that, make you happy. But please don't forget to check the playlist down below, and please check Jessica's channel out. And if you would, please, if you like the channels and you like my channel, that you would please subscribe and like and comment on them. That really does help our channels out a great deal. So I hope that you decide to do that. And I would absolutely love to have you here and be a part of my YouTube family. But I hope that you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.